So you'll find these silica gel packets or these desiccant moisture absorbers in things like pills here. This was right in there, and this keeps the moisture out of here, so these won't get wet with the humidity in the air. Or you'll put these in, like, you'll see them in beef jerky packets, so it doesn't absorb all of the moisture in the air, and they'll get soggy. Now, if you were to leave these out in the air, they would absorb all the moisture, and then they wouldn't really do anything because they aren't able to absorb any more moisture. So these are actually reusable. If you take these and put them in the oven or something heated like that, not too hot, just enough to kind of slowly evaporate the water out of the little beads that are in here, then you can actually put them back in and they'll absorb the moisture. Say that you just cook something in the oven and a lot of the heat has escaped, but it's still warm. You can take the packet. I have a metal plate here, so it's not sitting on the metal. It really doesn't matter. And then just that little bit of extra heat will slowly evaporate the water out, and then you'll be able to reuse it. And you'll want to be more careful with the plastic ones because you don't want it to melt, so just make sure there's not too much heat. And whenever these are done drying, you can just put them in a Ziploc bag and get all the air out so that they'll stay dry. So these are just really useful whenever you're trying to keep something from getting moisture in it, like these dried mushrooms in the can. And now we can close this up and we don't have to worry about these reabsorbing the moisture. Can we use these silica gel packets? Then the answer is yes, you can. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.